The mystery inside the mango seed, life, dark colors, and unexpected secrets. Look at this little thing, a mango seed. We often just throw it away after enjoying the sweet flesh of the fruit. But have you ever wondered what's actually hidden inside this hard shell? Why are there dark colors like a natural painting? And more importantly, are there secrets of life hidden here that could even affect our bodies? In the first few minutes, we've already uncovered the mango seed. After peeling away the hard seed coat, we're exposed to the seed flesh, the endosperm. But look closely, its surface isn't plain white. There's a net-like pattern, dark brown patches that look like burned or aged areas. Under the microscope as we see it today, the secret begins to be revealed. The dark brown color turns out to be phenolic compounds, primarily tannins, accumulated in the cell walls. Think of this as a seed's natural color and safety system. When seeds are exposed to air or begin to age, these compounds oxidize, a process similar to how an apple turns brown after being cut. The chemical reaction triggered by this enzyme produces a brown pigment, a sign that the seed is protecting itself from fungi, bacteria, or insects that might attack it. This dark color is a sign of life struggling to survive. We've already tried pressing it, and it's very hard, like a dense, dried coconut. This is because the endosperm is a super dense food storehouse. Look like it has veins, or also like it has nerves connected to each other, and that's what is attached to the endosperm, but the tissue is irregular. The solid white composition we saw at the beginning of the video is dominated by starch, fat, and protein, tightly compressed by nature. This firm texture is no accident. This is a food storage vault for the embryonic plant hiding at the tip. The hard outer seed coat acts as a protective barrier after humans discard the seeds or animals eat the fruit. Meanwhile, the hard endosperm acts as both a fortress and a food bank within. It protects the embryo from shocks, retains moisture to prevent the seed from drying out, and ready to provide full energy when the time comes to germinate. So, the connection to that sweet pulp? It's profound. The pulp serves as a delicious bait for animals to disperse the seeds. Meanwhile, the endosperm serves as a traveling provision, ensuring that when the seed lands in a new location, it has the necessary resources to survive. It's a perfect collaboration in evolution. So, what exactly are the superfoods inside this safe? Analysis shows complex starches, healthy fats, protein, fiber, and minerals, such as magnesium and potassium, as well as antioxidants from the phenolic compounds mentioned above. Nature designed it as a complete nutritional package. See, the white part you see is the solid white part, the main core inside the seed. When it's cut with a knife, it turns purple and has a slight yellow tint. The most intriguing question, can we eat it? The answer is yes, but with caution and preparation. Traditionally, some cultures prepare it by boiling or roasting. To neutralize anti-nutritional compounds like tannins, then grind them into flour for use in bread or porridge. Potential benefits? A good source of fiber and antioxidants to fight free radicals. And starch, which can help maintain blood sugar levels. But remember, this isn't a miracle food. Research is limited, and it's not recommended to eat large amounts or raw, as it can disrupt digestion. So, the mango seed that we often ignore is actually a microcosm, a small world full of extraordinary natural engineering. From the dark brown color that represents a record of chemical struggle, to the hard texture that represents the vault of life. Everything has a purpose. It teaches us about preparation, protection, and resilience. The next time you eat a mango, take a second look at the seed. Remember that inside the tremendous energy potential for the blueprint of life, mango tree, a story of survival, perhaps for our future science. Have you ever tried exploring or even tasting the endosperm of a mango seed? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, because we will continue to uncover these extraordinary and ordinary everyday science mysteries. See you on your next science adventure. I hope this video can be useful for you, and I hope it will be a reference to be wiser in everything around us.